First take crop tool. And follow the process. Then align the subject to the center. Then go to Layers panel and take a new layer. Then drag the layer down. Then go to Edit and choose Fill and follow the settings. Then go to Layers panel, select first layer. Then take Rectangle Marquee tool and make a selection. Then press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Then press Ctrl+T to transform and resize the selection, and follow the process. Then go to Filter, then Distort, and then Polar Coordinates, and follow the settings. Then go to Layers panel, and mask the layer. Then take Brush tool, and follow the process.